rounds are the usual?
This is the Hardinge HLV-H, serial number HLV-H8119-T.
Let's check it out. Not much to show in here yet, really. Up front, moving around the side. I'll leave this open. It does have a collar closed around here. We're not using it. We have a 3-jaw chuck up here, but it is there. We got some collets on the carousel. When we come around, we'll show the tooling. Forward reverse switch on the spindle down low. This cabinet is currently wired for 460. And that's what we got. Schematics we have. They're just not in the door right now, but we have the drawings. Backside, pretty standard stuff here. Coolant out the back, one work lamp, one motor that we can turn on that I think runs. So if I get power on, I'm not fired up yet. There's some oil. Tailstock, yeah, runs good. Backlash, not bad. Not bad at all. Moves right away, so the nut's in pretty good shape. And quill lock, yeah, it's all good. Saddle lock, good stuff. And we'll come around, like I said, the gusher. If I turn it on, there's our pump. I don't know if there's any coolant in there, so let it run. That said, yeah, in fact, as long as we're here, we'll leave it on and we can turn on the spindle without threading. This way, we want to go down to the collets first. Yeah, let's show some of the tooling anyhow. Got a couple of carousels with this one, various collets. And down below, a few more chucks. And let's show you, there's a tool slide in there, tool post. That guy there. And of course, all important threading package here for the end game, or on the end there. So that's all in there. And like I started to say, we can go into this right away on low speed. Maybe just run the spindle low. Oh, well, you can show this while we're running. Now this is an adjustment type thing. That's all that this is. I was going to show it. Let me run it.
Ready.
There's nothing to see down there right now. Just to keep it low and quiet, and then turn this on. Engage both of these guys and see which way we're going. As far as direction goes, left, right, both on. Let them both just kind of move here. So both of those clutches work, and here's the speed control for that. You get it down pretty slow. I'll bring it up some. This motor, DC motor runs nice. That's going a little bit faster. And again, stop, opposite direction. And slow it down. I just wanted to do that right away just so you can kind of not hear how nice that sounds. So that's all good. You want to get up on the dovetails right away? Let me disengage these clutches. We can pull this back, show one side and the other. Yeah, it's got a little bit of scarring from chips and stuff, but the dovetails themselves and the binders are in nice shape. There's really no wear and tear on the dovetail at all, other than the chips getting out. I don't know if you can see any of that, but the dovetails are in real nice shape. And there's some scarring up on top, and that's literally from chips. So we got that side. And if you want to pull back, and I'll flip it over and get up closer to the chuck. And actually, that looks pretty good up here too. It's not all bad. Yeah. So a little bit right up in here. Probably hard to tell with the camera, but. And spindle wise, when you want to see the adjuster here, so we're in low right now. Like I said, well, if I just finish off with the cross slide here, it's not too bad. We got the cutoff slide right here, one tool post, backlash again, minimal. We got movement right away. It's not too bad. Let's see what the cross slide is. Cross slide's good. Compound. Not bad condition. The rack, I think, is in pretty good shape too. Yeah, it picks it up pretty fast. So, and the threading dial, we'll be able to see that in a minute. I don't have the threading gauge yet, but the threading dial is all in pretty good shape here. High speed. That's about mid-range here, 1200, and I can take it up faster. And you can kind of watch both, but you can take it up to There's 1400, 17. There's 2000. And 3000. Yeah, we got nothing in our collet closer here. This thing's starting to drift away on me. So there's 3000. That's full out right now. It sounds nice. Sounds nice. So slower. 1740. 1400. Mid-range. If I want to get lower than that, just go over to slow speed here. And that was all happening down below, of course, there. I rechecked out the micro switches, but you can kind of see I go full off. That's that guy there, going all the way down, all the way up. And that's all working nicely. Quickly, while we're down here, I can shut it off, flip motor around. I'm going forward right now. Let it wind down, and we'll get reverse on there. Low, high. I just like to keep it going. Like you can do the brake now too. Brake works good. Let me go back to forward. Yeah, brake is still on. It's pretty tight. Brake off. Yeah, on. Brake on. And stop. Brake comes in nice. So leave that off. And so we checked all of that out. Let's go into the threading package here. Slow it down just a little bit. There we go. Flip this open. Then we said that's the collet closer. Let's go into feed. And now the threading package will come on. Yeah, we're mid-range here, 14 threads per inch, whatever. It's this guy here, full out, and there you can kind of see things a little bit there. That's full speed, fast threading. Here's third position, a little bit slower. And lastly, number 2 position. And again, that's pretty fast thread right there. So, and threading off, going the other way. There we go. That's coming back. So I guess what we'd be doing here is we could bring the half nut in, and that's what engages it. There we go. That's pretty solid right there. Screw looks good. Half nut feels pretty good. And we can bring in the threading package, go one way, of course, and stop. Come on back the other way. And stop. Go back the other way. So yeah, that's all working right. Disengage the lead screw or the half nuts. They're still threading. Now, like I said, it's very little backlash. It's pretty tight half nut on there. It's not bad at all. Pull that out of there. So we got those 3. We could do 1 or 2 of these, maybe just 1 more. This all works pretty good. Nothing changes, so. And that's about it. So then we come out of threading. Well, for now, if you just want to get in here and see I don't have the threading piece on here, but if you just want to show this real quick, so kind of where we're at here. If I bring in the threading package. And again, threading off, stop, brake on, thread off, spindle only, brake off, put the guard down. And that's at 1100 RPM. Like I said, so it's all pretty standard stuff. It's all working well. And I'd say we're about done here.